Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will tell you that how to put a link on a section or on a column by using Elementor for a particular WordPress website. Okay, for example, here is a section. This is a top banner, and I want to put a link on whole section so that I can click on this and I can jump to the other page. Okay, so if you are not using any type of plugin or any type of code, then you cannot do this because it's necessary to do with some code or with some plugin options. Okay, so I am going to tell you this simple solution to do this. So let's start. So for this, you have to install a plugin named as make column and section clickable. So let's start. First install the plugin, add new. Here write make column and section clickable, and you will see there is a option make column clickable Elementor, but I want to make section and column clickable. So there are two options. This one is only for column, this one is for both column and section. So I will click on this, I will install it. Keep in mind you must note the name of the owner, that is Riyad Ahmed. Okay, so when you install it you must keep it in mind. Now activate it. After activating, you will be able to put a link for this section. So because I am in the older editor, so I will refresh it, and then I will see here will be option for the custom link. It will take a little bit time to show the editor. Now I want to put the link on this whole section. Okay, so for this I will click on this top section. Okay, and then I will find out an option wrapper link. Okay, so just click on it and put the link which you want to open. For example, I want to put the link like this. I want to put the link of Blaze thankful page. So I will copy it and then I will paste it here and just update it. Now it will apply on whole section. I mean the top banner section. Okay, so click on it and you will see. Now see, everywhere on this section, whenever you will mouse over to this section, you will be able to in a clickable mode. Okay, so you just click on it and you will see that you will jump to the next page. You just put in the link option. Okay, so here is the page and here is the page which I just copied. Okay, so this is the simple way to put the link on the section. Now you can see that the link is applied to the whole section, but I want to apply the link only on this column or this column. So for example, assume that we want to put the link on this column only. So first of all I have to remove the link from the whole section, then I will put the link on this specific column. Okay, so for this, first of all go to the editor mode and remove this link from the whole section, and first update it and check either link is removed or not. And now you will see that there will be no link on the whole section. Yes, you can see. Okay, now I want to put the link on this column only, so I will select this column from the backend. Okay, then I will click on wrapper link and then I will put the link again on this column only. Okay, now this column will be clickable, whole section will not be clickable. So let's see. After updating, let's start to see this, and now you will see that there is no link on the whole section, but whenever you will mouse over to this column, then you will see that your column is clickable. So just click on it and you will see that page is redirected to the next page. So this is the simple way to make a section and a column clickable by using Elementor with the clickable plugin. So hopefully you find out this video very helpful. Please like, comments and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.